Hey there, you're watching Cluster Repairs UK, the go-to place for genuine automotive display repairs, servicing and quality parts. Today we're excited to introduce our genuine A-grade replacement display for the 2016 to 2022 BMW MINI Sat Nav. Designed for models with the single black connector and a built-in fan. Trusted by customers in the UK and worldwide, all our parts come with a full 12-month warranty and full text support if needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.